Hey, it's Nisa. Today we have for you this microwave omelet maker. Let me tell you, you can have delicious omelets in under 2 minutes without having to have all those pots and pans. And it's healthier. You don't need to use butter when you make it. Now, what I love about this compared to others is it's not just an omelet maker. They also include a poached egg tray. You can actually make delicious egg bites in under 70 seconds, and that's great to take with you on the go. Now let me show you how easy it is to make an omelet. We're gonna make a cheese omelet. You simply beat up 2 to 3 eggs, add any seasoning, and add whatever you want. Me, I just like a cheese omelet, so I'm adding a couple of different cheeses. For those of you who are trying to be eco-friendly, you're gonna love this. It's made of recycled plastic and wheat straw. Now you're gonna microwave it for about 70 to 90 seconds on one side, then you flip it over and microwave it for another 15 to 30 seconds. You'll get the hang of it with your own microwave. Now the proof is in the tasting. Let's try it. Ooh, look at this cheese. Very ooey gooey, which I love. Ooh, and it tastes even better. Now here's how I make my egg bites. I simply beat up a couple of eggs, pour it in the poached egg tray, add my seasoning and of course cheese, and then I microwave it for 70 seconds, but you don't flip it when you're making poached eggs or egg bites. And then after that, you've got 2 beautiful egg bites that you're ready to eat. Or you can make a bunch of these up and freeze them, and then you just grab them, take them with you to work, and you can heat them up at a later time. Cleanup is a breeze. This is top rack, dishwasher safe, and you're not gonna have all those pans with butter in them. Save time, save money by grabbing one of these omelet makers. You're gonna thank me later. Plus, we have a super low price. Head on over to PulseTV and grab 1 or 2 today.